painting most of my pumpkins orange. I'm sorry, most of my orange pumpkins white. I'm actually gonna tear this down, paint all the pumpkins and the gourds white or tan. I'm gonna paint these pumpkins white. I'm gonna pull a bunch of these out. See how they take. They're all glittered, but I'm gonna hit them with some white spray paint. Try to make this all blend. A really cool trick is if you have a stick like this, stick it through a plastic cup so you can hold it and your hand will not get painted. I got the first coat of paint on. Some of them are flipped upside down so I could do the bottoms first. And as I was sitting here looking at them, I noticed that if they could flip upside down perfectly, it almost left a blended, kind of blended, you know, from white to orange. So I'm gonna flip them back up over and try it with a tan on top and see if it blends it. We'll see. So I'm gonna hit it on the top with the brown first and see how it all works. Oh my God, I think I love it. I am really looking for coverage that looks organic, yet still has some dots on it. I can't explain it other than polka dotty. Oh, look at that, I got it. Oh, see? Polka dot heaven. Just barely holding it on the corner, barely. That is polka dot heaven for me. I'm glad I got that figured out. All right. Let's see if I can do it on this one. Barely holding that corner down. Takes a little second to practice it. Look at the polka dots. I love it. Next, I'm going to use the next brown. There is a dark brown that I just used, medium brown, and then light brown. I'm going to try to do the splatters only. We'll see. These are sort of my practice pumpkins. Let's see what happens. Next up, the lighter color. Oh, I'm getting those little spots. It's a little tricky. I'd like to add that if you get a pool of paint around the little nozzle hole when you're spray painting, it seems to do the splatter a whole lot better. I found that a bunch of quick, short, fast bursts of paint sort of help it pool around the little nozzle. I then took all of my pumpkins and painted the stems. Some of them I used a paint marker, and some of them I just used some brown paint. Here you can see that I used some of that brown paint to shade in between each of the little lines along the pumpkins. I think it turned out pretty cool. These kind of remind me of concrete. I think it's a pretty cool technique. That's just painting over glitter. I loved it so much, I named the video after them.